guys, welcome back to the Lowe Show. I'm Nate Lowe for those of you who are new. Today we are going to detail some vehicles. What I got is one of my friends brought over his Jeep, and another customer through word of mouth brought over their little SUV. Pretty generic setup for what most of the YouTube people use for detailing. Two bucket method with a bucket for the wheels and tires. I got a little Sunjo pressure washer, looking to upgrade that soon. And then just your basic product, wash and wax for one of them. The other one's getting a full detail, so I'll do a strip wash on that. Tire shine, some interior stuff, carpet shampoo, and a vacuum. So, enjoy the process. I'll do a little speed loop of everything and have at her. Alright, now that the engine bay is done, I'm going to move over to the wheels and tires. What I like to do is use a separate wash bucket for the wheels and tires. It's some tire and rubber cleaner from Adams Polishes. Accompany that with a tire brush from Adams Polishes. Then I'll make my way onto the wheel itself with some Adams Polishes wheel cleaner. And then, depending on the rim, I have an easy detail brush, which Matt over at Obsessed Garage recommends. I also use a Sunjo pressure washer, like I stated earlier, mixed with either an MTM gun or a Mosmatic gun. I cannot remember. I got it over at Obsessed Garage. And then I have a 40-degree nozzle in there as well. One thing I forgot to mention was I use a undercarriage brush. It allows you to clean that wheel well pretty darn good. This too you can pick up at Adams Polishes. Alright guys, I'm going to go into a little further breakdown as to how I clean the tire. Begin by spraying it off with a 40-degree nozzle. Get up in there and get all that gravel and dirt out of that wheel well, sorry. Go ahead and rinse the whole wheel and tire. This customer lives on a gravel road, so these wheel drums are pretty darn caked. Okay, hit the wheel well with the undercarriage brush. We're going to spray down that tire with some tire and rubber cleaner. Alright, we're going to try and clean this wheel drum a little better. Customer only wanted their interior clean, but I did talk them into doing a wash on the outside. But they only really wanted a basic wash and an interior cleaning. So we'll move on to the next tire. After we're done with the wheels and tires, we're just going to go ahead and throw on a 15 degree, I think, maybe 25 degree nozzle and rinse the car off. After this step, then we're going to foam the car. I will never live on a gravel road. I'm pretty psycho about my cars, and this is a testament to itself as to how bad gravel roads are for your vehicle. Never forget the gas cap. Alright guys, like I said earlier in the video, this car is just a basic wash, so I'm not going to go crazy on the wash. I'm not going to wax it, I'm not going to do any of that. They didn't want any of that. What I am going to do is this cheaper form of wash and wax from turtle wax. That works pretty good in my opinion. It offers quite a bit of suds when you use it with a foam cannon, and that's all I'm looking for, something cheaper to get the job done. It does have a little wax in it, so it offers a little bit of protection. Like I said, if they wanted a wax, I would gladly do it for them, but that's not the goal here. I know some people are a little psycho on how much to add. I just kind of wing it. Might be a little more than 2 ounces. And then another trick I learned from Matt over at Obsessed Garage, fill it with your rinse bucket. Good to go. Screw the cap back on. Now what I like to do is take the same soap that I'm using in the foam cannon, throw a little bit in with the microfiber washing mitt in the wash bucket. Take your microfiber wash mitt, throw in the bucket, fill it up. Okay, the 2-bucket method. I'm sure everybody that's ever researched car detailing has heard of this. I'm not saying I'm perfect at it, but I just try and keep that microfiber washing mitt as clean as possible. So the theory is, this is going to be your wash where all the soap is, and you will take the mitt out of here, wash the front and top portion of the vehicle. Sorry about that, got interrupted by the neighbors. It's going to be as clean as possible. Front of the vehicle, top of the vehicle, work your way down. As you go throughout your wash, you're going to want to occasionally dunk it in this bucket, and hopefully the theory is to rinse off any of the dirt that gets stuck in your wash mitt. There's 2 grit guards in there. You can run the wash mitt up and down along those, and that should significantly increase your chances of getting the dirt off. Also, once the dirt settles, you won't be able to dunk your mitt down into the dirt itself, reattaching the dirt to the wash mitt. Once you're done here, you will simply dunk in the fresh suds again and start washing the vehicle. little gun on the pressure washer and rinse the door jambs out. On this particular model of pressure washer, if you pull the trigger once, it's full pressure. If you pull the trigger twice really quick, it will be half pressure. Full pressure, half pressure. So I'm going to wash the inside of the door jambs out with half pressure. Now I did skip a step. I forgot to show you guys the rinsing. After I washed the door jambs, washed the vehicle, I rinsed all the soap off. Now it's time to dry. I'm going to use some detail spray from Adams Polishes. This happens to be the Halloween edition pumpkin spice. You know, my honest opinion, I don't think it smells that good. I personally believe the original pink detail spray smells the best. And then I'm just going to accompany it with a Adams Polishes Ultra drying towel. To do floor mats, again, I'm not a professional on this stuff. However, I like to use pressure washer first, some APC or all-purpose cleaner. In this case, I'm using Purple Power, just a little bit, and then scrub with the tire brush.